right, y'all. This is the mess that is Sunday morning. I'm sitting in the Target parking lot. It's raining. I have a migraine. My glasses are fogging up. I'm absolutely roasting. Oh my gosh, I have such a headache. It's a full-on migraine and we have 12 people coming for lunch. So it'll be interesting to see how well I can tolerate today. We haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I think it's actually probably been Christmas. So this is mid-February, so I want to see everybody, but I also just really want to go to bed, but I'm not going to go to bed, so hopefully I'm not completely insufferable, but we will see. But it is raining, and it's cold and dreary, only I am absolutely roasting, which is not unusual with my migraines. It's one of the symptoms of my migraines is that I just can't control my body temperature. So I can literally go from sweating to freezing to sweating in a matter of seconds. And right now I'm in sweating mode. But I went through Target. I got the things that we needed. We're doing grinders. Phil's making grinders at Stacy's request. So we're doing grinder sandwiches for lunch. And I got some chips, some pop, and I got some cinnamon rolls for the 2 grandorables that spent the weekend with us so they can have breakfast this morning. And I got a medicine ball to see if that helps me feel better. And yeah, now we're going to go home and frantically vacuum the couch and the living room carpet and try to get up as much of Sophie's dog hair as we can before people arrive. So we got the garage set up. Those are just flat sheets that we're using as tablecloths because these are also the tables that we paint on. And then I just watch the Facebook Marketplace for folding chairs or stackable chairs like that. So this is how we do. We have a space heater up here and a space heater here. That one's not turned on because there's something wrong with it. It keeps blowing the fuse. But I have a space heater going there. And this is how we feed massive people. And this is...
The interchange bowls, I don't even know where they're at now. They're somewhere in the house. But...
Phil's getting the stuff out for grinders. And he's got...
Twice?
The meat is all cooked. So just put it together.
what?
Sandwiches, coffee. Here are the grinders all assembled and ready to be put together. He'll broil them under the broiler like this and then put them together and slice them in half to serve. And they are absolutely delicious. This is a family favorite, and when the kids come over en masse, they almost always request that Phil make grinders for them. And here we are getting our dinner and sitting down to eat. It's not the prettiest of places to eat, and I really do want to work on getting the garage better assembled and better organized. We need a lot of things in there purged. They've just been in boxes for years, and we just need to make the choice and get rid of it, which is kind of tough to do on some of that stuff that you've held on to for years. But this is by far my favorite part of the get together. We just sit out here and we'll sit together at these tables for a couple of hours and just talk and laugh and really have a good time enjoying each other's company. I love Phil at the head of the table. He just really sits back and soaks in the time with his kids. It's fun to watch as a mom and as a spouse to him. It's fun to see how much enjoyment he gets out of seeing his kids all gathered around the table talking and laughing and just having a good time. We're missing Max and his family, and we're missing Phil's mom from this assembly. You can see Sophie wandering around under the tables looking for food that's hopefully getting dropped. And you'll see some of the kids' faces are blurred. Some of the kids don't want to be on the vlog, and some of the parents don't want their kids on the vlog. So I try to be very respectful of that also. But this is my favorite part of the day for sure.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
And now it's later on in the afternoon and everybody's gone home, and cleanup really does not take very long. I just pitched the napkins and everybody is pretty good about picking up their plates and putting things away. And there really aren't a whole lot of leftovers with grinders, I'll tell you. And if there are, the kids are arguing over who's going to claim them and take them home. So Phil's got a system for how the chairs get stacked and folded and placed in the garage so that we can still get both cars in there. And we'll just get these chairs down and the tables down and get the cars pulled back in.
From within, today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Dishes are done, kitchen's cleaned. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give me the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll talk soon.